Turning an ugly t-shirt into a stylish scarf? Transforming a ruined baseball cap into a cute panda? And making a pretty dress out of a plain boy's shirt? Watch our new video to find out totally awesome clothing tips and tricks! The girls are going through a wardrobe. There's a ton of useless stuff here. It's high time to sort through it all and pass a stylish sentence on all this menswear. What's in a wardrobe is the last thing guys think about. Why would you throw away normal clothes? My mom gave me this t-shirt. Guys always find a way to use old things. We can make a ninja costume out of it. Or a stylish scarf. Well, that's a good idea. We can turn all these boys' clothes into trendy accessories for girls. Remove a pocket from an old t-shirt. Draw a straight line under the sleeves. And cut off the top. Cut the bottom part into 2-inch strips. Cut strips of different colors from a few t-shirts. Slightly pull them up. Cut off the edges. Stretch them out. Shape the strips into a necklace. Braid or twist a few of the ones. Sew the ends together. Wrap the seam with a strip of fabric. Dolly comes back with a scarf necklace on. The guys like her designer accessory. Old t-shirts have never looked so elegant before. And Redhead turned pieces of t-shirts into a stylish headband. Cut 2 wide strips out of the remaining t-shirts. Twist them in the middle and sew the ends. What a creative headband! You can't even tell that it's made out of scrap fabric intended for the trash. Let's come up with some creative makeovers for other old clothes. Stevie finds his old supply organizer among the pile of clothes. How old is it? But Dolly immediately sees the potential of this box. Cut the outside fasteners off an old plastic storage container. Remove the divider. Coat it with acrylic paint. Cut monstera leaves of different sizes out of a soft foam sheet. And 2 flamingos. Add veins on the leaves using acrylic paint. Hot glue the leaves and the flamingos to the lid. Add flamingo details with acrylic paint. Cut foam rubber into rectangles for the base of the box. Make cuts for jewelries. Dolly comes back with an amazing jewelry box. It looks way more beautiful with flamingos and jewelries. Good job, Dolly! Stevie thinks that not all his clothes can be saved. Some of them are just doomed, but Redhead proves that you can save even the oldest baseball cap. A panda will help. Let's bring an old baseball cap back to life. Cut 2 paper ovals to be templates for the panda's eyes. And a little triangle. Pin them to the cap. Color the front of the cap with white acrylic paint. Take the templates off. Paint a nose. Cut ears out of black felt. Hot glue them to the cap. Wow, neat! No one can even tell that this is an old cap when there's such a cute panda on it. Now this panda is a new member of our friend group. The girls got into the groove of stylish clothing makeovers, and the guys suggest arranging a fashion show. Dolly and Redhead should present their best inventions on themselves. Iron an old shirt. Mark the cutting line near the collar and the shoulders. Pin it. Cut off the extra bottom. Cut off the collar and the shoulders along the line. Also cut off the bottom of the sleeve the same way. Fold the edges and sew them. Attach a patch to the pocket using an iron. Sew the edges of the sleeves. Pass an elastic ribbon along the top edge. Redhead is the first to present her outfit. She turned Ben's regular t-shirt into a feminine off-the-shoulder top. The guys love it! This shirt has never looked better. Redhead is obviously the best clothing designer. Dolly is looking for the right fabric. That's not what she needs. At last, she finds it. The denim shirt Stevie's sitting on. Remove a pocket from an old denim shirt. Cut the shirt under the sleeves along a straight line. Fold and sew the top edge. Make a little cut and pass a strip of stretchy fabric through the cut. Pull it to get a skirt. Sew the pocket. Attention! Dolly comes out wearing a stylish denim skirt. This idea is so simple and brilliant. Stevie's old shirt has always wanted to become a denim skirt in Dolly's wardrobe. Bravo! And Dolly's top is decorated with a stylish collar. Cut the collar off a used shirt. Let's decorate it with metallic studs. Stick in a stud. Bend the spikes using scissors. Do the same pattern on the other side of the collar. The skirt and the collar are a match made in heaven. This shirt makeover is a huge success. It deserves the highest score in this design contest. Let's see what Redhead made. A winter set, leg warmers, and a skirt. You will never guess what it's made from. Pin an old sweater. Cut it into 2 halves under the sleeves. Sew the edge of the cut so that the yarn stays in place. Slightly gather the skirt and hot glue the folds to a wide elastic band. The skirt is done! Use the sleeves of the sweater as leg warmers. Cut them off. Sew the edges. Stevie hardly can tell that this skirt and leg warmers were a sweater before. It got a new life in Redhead's wardrobe. Great job, fashionista! Dolly came up with a stylish and simple life hack: how to make a regular white shirt look better. Wear a girl's accessory over a man's shirt, a body harness. Dolly looks feminine and intense at the same time. Stevie falls in love with her all over again. It turns out that harnesses aren't just for guys. Redhead comes to the runway wearing something weird. Even for modern fashion, it's way too much. Why are your sleeves sticking out from under your arms? And where did the waist go? Ugh, guys, you know nothing about fashion. It's a life hack for making a dress out of a man's shirt. Redhead puts on a man's shirt backwards, pulls it down, and wraps the sleeves around her waist, first to the back and then to the front, and she ties a cute bow. Now the guys understand what's going on here. Redhead looks way better this way. The most important thing is that the buttons on the back should stay in place. The girls are done with their fashion show. And in the end, Dolly invents a lovely hair tie. It's a bow from Stevie's old tie. Cut off the fastener of an old bow tie. Melt the edges and glue them with an elastic ribbon. Decorate the bow with metallic half beads. Stevie remembers wearing this bow tie to his elementary school prom, and now it's a hair accessory of his beloved girlfriend. It's true that nice clothes last a long time. There is one issue left. Where should we put all the new clothes? The guys play by the rules of the clothes makeover game, and they want to make something interesting out of an old t-shirt. Cut 2 pieces with oval tops out of an old t-shirt. And make little cuts on the fabric in a chessboard pattern. Cut a hole for a handle near the straight edge. Turn the piece right side out and hot glue it along the edge. Slightly stretch the bag out. Stevie proudly presents his invention, a fabric bag for your stuff. Take a look at this ergonomic design with holes for air conditioning. Half of your closet could fit into this bag. And now let's go get some more clothes for makeovers. Did you like our makeovers of old clothes? Then write in the comments how you will transform your friends' old clothes. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new ideas for your wardrobe on Troom Troom.